These clever Amazon gadgets are designed to transform the way you prep, cook, and serve, and more enjoyable. From smart tools to space-saving solutions, your kitchen will never feel the same again. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Cooking and draining just got easier. This smart frying pan comes with a built-in strainer, so you can cook pasta, veggies, or meatballs and drain excess water or oil with a press of a button. No extra colander needed. A non-stick ceramic coating makes food slide right out while keeping things healthy and easy to clean. The stainless steel base spreads heat evenly across gas, electric, or induction cooktops for perfect results every time. With a heat-resistant handle that feels great in your hand, it's a pan built for both everyday cooking and chef-level meals. Dinner for the family doesn't have to mean juggling pans and waiting around. This smart double oven splits into two sections so you can cook different meals at the same time. A built-in thermometer keeps food perfectly done, while Smart Finish Tech makes sure everything's ready together. One side air fries, the other bakes, and flavors never mix. Big enough for a pizza and wings in one go, this oven is a true multitasker. Bring the barbecue indoors without the smoke. This electric grill holds up to 12 skewers at once, giving you juicy, evenly cooked food every time. The secret is its 360 degrees automatic rotation that turns the skewers for you. No flipping needed. Stainless steel construction makes it durable and easy to clean. Perfect for kebabs, veggies, or even dessert skewers right in your kitchen. Clogged sinks are a thing of the past. This 3-in-1 strainer works as a stopper, a basket, and a drainer all in one. Just press the handle to switch between holding water or letting it flow. The built-in basket traps food scraps before they sneak down the drain, keeping pipes clear. Made of durable stainless steel, it's easy to clean, odor-resistant, and built to last. Outdoor grilling just got smarter. This rotating cooking pot keeps food moving automatically, so everything cooks evenly without constant stirring. Powered by simple AA batteries, it's lightweight and perfect for camping, BBQs, or picnics. The tempered glass lid locks in heat while letting you watch your meal come together. With its ceramic-coated surface, cleanup is quick, and you'll spend more time enjoying food than cooking it. No more hunting for the right spoon. This adjustable measuring spoon lets you measure both wet and dry ingredients with a single tool. Just slide the handle to pick the amount you need, and you're set. Clear markings make it easy to read, so you'll always get the recipe right. It even comes apart for a quick clean and is dishwasher safe for everyday use. Serving snacks has never looked this elegant. This 3-tier stand holds fruit, cakes, or appetizers with style, and the rotating bowls make everything easy to reach. When the party's over, it folds down flat for simple storage. Made of durable plastic, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough for everyday use. Whether for family dinners or big celebrations, this stand makes your table look instantly more inviting. Healthy gut, homemade style. This probiotic yogurt maker lets you craft your own yogurt packed with live cultures right at home. Adjustable temperature and time controls give you the perfect environment for trillions of probiotics to thrive. It comes with multiple jars, so you can prep different flavors at once. Fresh, creamy, and way more affordable than store-bought. This is gut-friendly goodness you make yourself. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Looks like an ordinary shelf, but there's a secret waiting inside. This floating design doubles as a hidden compartment to stash away jewelry, documents, or small valuables right where no one expects them. On the outside, it's modern and stylish, perfect for books, plants, or decor. On the inside, it's your private safe, strong enough to hold plenty of weight, yet sleek enough to fit in any room. Ice lovers, this one's for you. Nugget ice, also called pellet ice, is soft, chewy, and keeps your drinks tasting fresh without watering them down. Instead of driving out for a bag, you can now make it right on your countertop. A smart sensor pauses the machine when the basket's full, while the self-cleaning system keeps every batch fresh. Quiet, compact, and always ready, your perfect ice is just a button away. Say goodbye to messy bags in the pantry. These airtight containers lock in freshness and keep your food safe from air and moisture. The wide spout makes pouring cereal, rice, or even pet food quick and easy, and the measuring cup on top helps you get just the right amount. Clear sides let you see what's inside at a glance. Durable, portable, and simple. You'll wonder how you ever organized without them. Why settle for store-bought when you can fizz up your own drinks at home? This smart soda maker lets you choose still water or 3 levels of sparkling, all at the push of a button. You can pick your cup size, add flavors, and even mix 2 together for something totally unique. With over 25 flavors to explore, the combos are endless. And the CO2 system is simple to install and replace, keeping the bubbles flowing anytime. Boilovers can turn cooking into a sticky mess, but not anymore. This clever silicone lid keeps pots from spilling over while you cook pasta, rice, or soup. Just place it on top and watch it stop foam and liquid from bubbling out. It doubles as a splatter guard too, so frying stays neat and clean. Heat resistant, easy to wash, and ready to handle your kitchen chaos with zero fuss. Meet the little table that follows you everywhere. This C-shaped design slides right under your couch or bed, giving you the perfect spot for a laptop, meal, or book. The top tilts to different angles, so you can read or work comfortably without awkward neck strain. Smooth wheels let you roll it wherever you need it. Compact, sturdy, and stylish, it's a small table with big versatility. Prepping fruit and veggies just got faster. This handy slicer cuts through grapes, cherry tomatoes, and other small fruits in seconds. No more squishing or uneven slices, just clean, uniform cuts every time. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and safe to toss in the dishwasher when you're done. Perfect for salads, snacks, or garnishes. It turns kitchen prep into a quick and simple task. Peeling veggies doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This electric peeler does the hard work for you. Just place your potato, apple, or zucchini on the base and watch the skin glide off in seconds. The non-slip base keeps it steady, and spare blades are stored right inside for when you need them. No mess, no effort, just perfectly peeled produce every time. Dessert night just leveled up. This 7-in-1 ice cream maker whips up ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and even smoothie bowls at the touch of a button. You control the ingredients, so it's perfect for dairy-free, low-sugar, or extra indulgent treats. Toss in your favorite mix-ins, chocolate, fruit, candy, for a flavor that's all yours. With one-touch programs and a re-spin option, you'll get creamy perfection every single time. Fresh pineapple is delicious, but cutting it can be a sticky nightmare. This stainless steel corer takes the hassle away by slicing and coring in one smooth motion. Just twist, and you'll have perfect rings in seconds, ready for snacking or desserts. The non-slip handle makes it easy to use, and the parts separate for quick cleaning. Safe, fast, and way more fun than wrestling with a knife. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? This clever jar opener makes it effortless. The twisting design adjusts to fit different lid sizes, while the base pad keeps everything steady on your counter. With sharp, gripping teeth and a comfortable handle, it's perfect for reducing hand strain and making opening jars quick and easy. Whether it's pickles, sauces, or bottles, this tool does the hard work for you. Cook smarter and faster with this dual-burner induction cooktop. With 9 power levels and up to 1,800 watts of output, you can boil, fry, steam, or simmer with precision for everyday meals or holiday feasts. Safety comes built in with a child lock, residual heat indicator, and auto shutoff if no cookware is detected. The sleek black glass surface looks elegant in any kitchen and is easy to wipe clean. Lightweight and portable, it plugs into any standard outlet, perfect for countertops, apartments, or even family gatherings. Fresh juice, minus the effort. This stainless steel electric citrus juicer packs a powerful motor, but runs quietly and efficiently. Just press down the soft grip handle, and it does the work for you. No twisting, no mess. The built-in filter keeps out seeds and pulp, so every glass is smooth and refreshing. With a sleek stainless design, it looks as good on your counter as the juice tastes in your glass. Hosting just got easier with this folding 3-tier fruit and dessert stand. Its layered design makes it perfect for showing off fruits, pastries, or candies while keeping everything neatly organized. When you're done, it folds flat to save space, ideal for small kitchens or apartments. With a sturdy handle for easy carrying and a modern look, it doubles as both a storage solution and a stylish table centerpiece.